Okay, so now we are going to prepare the table for trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Okay, by the way, what are the standard angles? सांगा मला स्टँडर्ड अँगल्स कुठले आहेत?
30 degrees, 60 degrees,
0, 30, 45, 60, 90.
90
Correct.
degrees and
30, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, these are called as standard angles. And we have 5 standard angles here, and we have 6 trigonometrical ratios. Okay, so let me prepare a table first. Just listen to it carefully, and then you can draw it. Okay, so I'll make a column here saying the ratio, and here I'll make the angles. Okay, so here I will say angles here horizontally, and here T ratio, trigonometrical ratios. Okay, so I'll write down the ratios first. Sine of, so just to have, we have sine, then we have cos, in that order you have to remember. Then you have tan, then you have cot, the reciprocal of tan, immediate to it. Okay, laws of reflection in plane mirror, I told you how to remember that. Then cos चा reciprocal will be sec, secant म्हणजे, आणि sin चा reciprocal cosec. Okay, right? So here I will write down the 5 trigonometrical, 5 standard angles. Let me prepare the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, एवढं आपल्याला जागा खरं लागणारच नाहीये खरं, पण ठीक आहे. Just give me a minute. Okay, let me draw the horizontal lines also. So this is for sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. So how to do this? How to do this table? You have to remember 30 numbers. Can you imagine? 6 trigonometrical ratios and 5 standard angles. So I'll write the standard angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. These are the standard angles. So 5, 6 are 30 ratios. How to remember 30 ratios? Very easy. Don't worry. Absolutely easy. Okay. So let me tell you what to do first. I'll use the red color. What you have to do is you have to start with 0 here, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. समजलं काय केलं? Starting with 0 degree up to 90 degree, you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. लिहिलं म्हणजे कळलं? Is that clear, everyone?
yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes. Now you have to divide each of those numbers by 4. What do you have to do? This is the first step. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first step. The second step will be you have to divide each of those numbers by 4. Okay. So I will divide by 4. So divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. This is the second step. Now in the third step, you have to take the square root. What you have to do? You have to take the square root of each of those numbers separately. So square root, akha purna square root gets it. So 0, square root of 0 upon 4, square root of 1 upon 4, square root of 2 upon 4, square root of 3 upon 4, square root of 4 upon 4. That's all. Now in the fourth step, you have to simplify. You have to do the calculation, simplify. So anybody will tell you 0 upon 4 itself is 0. 0 upon 4, if the numerator is 0 and the denominator is non-zero, the number is 0. Square root of 0 is going to be 0. Zhala, answer आला. So sine 0, बघा, sine 0 is 0. आलं? Sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 degree is 0. Value is 0. हे जे आपण करतो ना टेबल, those are called values of trigonometrical ratios. Now 1/4, root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2. So sine of 30 degree is 1/2, that is 0.5, half. This is done. 2/4 is already 1/2. So it is already 1/2. So this is 1 upon root 2. Root of 1 is 1. So root of 2 is root 2. So 1 upon root 2. So sine 45 degrees 1 upon root 2. Now root of 3 is root 3. No doubt about it. And root of 4 is 2. So sine 60 degrees root 3 upon 2. And finally 4/4. If the numerator and denominator are same, you get 1. So this will be square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So sine 90 degrees 1. Okay, again I will repeat. Step 1. Right from 0 degree to 90 degree in the sine row. You have to start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the second step, you have to divide each of those numbers by 4. Okay. Then in the third step, you have to take the square roots of all those numbers. And in the fourth step, you have to simplify to get the answers. So sine 0 degrees 0, sine 30 degrees is half, sine 45 degrees is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 degrees is root 3 upon 2, and sine 90 degrees is 1. Is that clear? 100% समजले सगळ्यांना काय केलं?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Now, when we started the chapter, you noted that sine 60 is cos 30. Cos 45 and sine 45 are same. Sine 0 and cos 90 is same. Sine 90 and cos 0 is same. So what do you mean? You mean that those are in the opposite. So sine 0 0 आहे ना, मग cos 90 0 लिहून टाकायचा. हे बघा इकडे उलट. So you have to go like this. उलट जायचं. Okay, very interesting. बघा. Then sine 30 half आहे तर cos 60 half येणार. Sine 45 1 upon root 2, cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 root 3 upon 2 है, तो cos 30 root 3 upon 2 येणार है. Okay, उल्टो. And finally sine 91 है, so you get cos 0 as 1. उल्टं लिहिलं, समजलंय? उल्टं. So if you prepare the row for sine, and if you write it the other way around, you get the row for cos. You get the values for cosine of the angles. Is this clear? हे दोन गोष्टी clear झाल्या सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now what is tan? Tan is nothing but ratio of sine upon cos. What is tan? Tan is sine upon cos. That is sine theta upon cos theta. मग काय नाही आहे, रेशिओ डायरेक्ट घ्यायचा. सो साइनची व्हॅल्यू सांगा. साइन 0 0, cos 0 1, 0 upon 1 is 0. So tan 0 is 0. Now sin 30 is half आणि cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. इथे दोन्हीचं डिनोमिनेटर सेम आहे. 2 2 cancel, so you get 1 upon root 3. So what is tan 30? 1 upon root 3. Then sin 45 is also 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. So both are same, cancelled, you get 1. So tan 45 is 1. Then sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 and tan 60 is 1 upon 2. So 2 2 cancelled, denominator is same, cancelled. So you get tan 60 as root 3. And finally, this is very interesting. Sin 90 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. What do you mean by this? 1 upon 0 म्हणजे काय?
Infinity.
Infinity, not defined. What do you mean by this? That the tangent ratio of 90 degree reference angle is not defined, because in mathematics division by 0 is not allowed. Is it? No, it's not allowed, right? त्यामुळं tan 90 किती येणार आहे? Not defined येणार आहे. समजलं हे तीन रोज सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you don't have to worry again. You don't have to worry. Why? Because you just have to flip. जसं sin आणि cos केलं तसं tan आणि cot करायचं. Okay? तुम्हाला फक्त flip करायचं ते. I'll explain it. Why do we do this? Okay? I'll explain it with an example afterwards. सो tan 0 0 आहे ना, मग cot 90 0 घ्यायचा. tan 30 1/√3 आहे, मग उलट करायचं, cot 60 1/√3 करायचं. tan 45 1, मग cot 45 पण 1च. tan 60√3 तर cot 30√3. tan 90 not defined तर cot 0 not defined. ND म्हणायचं याला, not defined. ओके, राइट, समजलंय? इझी. Now sec is also simple. What is sec? Reciprocal of cos. What is sec? 1/cos, right? 1/cos theta. So we have to just take the reciprocal. मी दूसरा कलर यूज करतो कुठला तरी. Let us say, ठीक आहे, हा घे, हा. Sec 0, that is 1 cos 0. So 1/1 म्हणजे 1. Sec 0 पण किती आला? 1च आला. Cos 30 is √3/2. So 1/√3/2 म्हणजे 2/√3. उलटा त्याचा, राइट? Cos 45 is 1/√2. So त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल 1/1/√2, that is √2. Right? Cos 60 is 1/2. So त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल 1/1/2, that is 2. Right? Cos 90 is 0. Now be careful. So 0 चा रेसिप्रोकल काय आहे? 1/0. Again 1/0 will be not defined. येते लक्षात? म्हणजे sec 90 किती आला? Not defined आला. Now for finding the values of cosec, you have two choices. Either you can do the reciprocal of sine, or you can swap the values of sec and cosec. जसं आता आपण sin cos ला केलं किंवा tan cot ला केलं, तसं केलं तरी चालतं. So I think that will be much easier. Okay, you can do that. So if sec 0 is 1, cosec 90 is 1. If sec 30 is 2/√3, cosec 60 is 2/√3. If sec 45 is √2, cosec 45 is also √2. If sec 60 is 2, cosec 30 is 2. And finally, if sec 90 is not defined, then cosec 0 will be not defined. Is this clear 100% everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
सगळ्यांना समजलंय कसं केलं? Now tell me, is it easy or is it difficult to remember? Tell me. सोपं आहे का अवघड आहे?
Easy.
इझी आहे नक्की? मला नाही
Yes,
वाटत
sir.
काही एवढं अवघड आहे. यू हॅव टू प्रॅक्टिस इट. 4-5 वेळा हे स्वतः प्रॅक्टिस करून बघा. And it is a very good habit. Once you get the answer sheet, and if you don't remember all these values, what I usually suggest and what I have been doing from 9-10 standard onwards is that on the last page you can prepare a short table, not this much, just for yourself. Short table तुम्ही हे prepare करू शकता, so that you can refer the values afterwards. Okay, it is allowed. You can do it once you get the answer sheet. Don't do it on the question paper. Never do anything on the question paper. Okay, you can prepare it on the answer sheet on the last page, so that you can have all the values of all the trigonometrical ratios for standard angles, right? So now you can start writing. You can okay, so I'll give the heading trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. So what are complementary angles? What do you mean by complementary angles? Yes.
The angles which sum up to 90 degrees.
Correct. The angles whose sum is 90 degrees, right? So those are called as complementary angles. They need not be necessarily adjacent angles. Okay. So obviously in a right angle triangle, one angle has to be 90. So let us name it as a triangle ABC, right? So here angle B is going to be 90 degree, for instance, right? So by angle sum property of triangle, we know that the sum of all the angles is 180. So out of that, angle B is 90. So what will be angle A plus angle C? 90, right? Angle A plus angle C will be 90. So can I write like this? Tell me. Therefore, angle A is equal to 90 degree minus angle C, or you can say otherwise, angle C is equal to 90 degree minus angle A. Can we write like this? Obviously. बरोबर ना? कारण angle A plus B plus C is 180, out of which angle B is 90. So 180 minus 90 म्हणजे 90 झालं. So what is the sum of the other two angles? Remaining two angles sum किती असणार आहे? 90 degrees. So either angle A is equal to 90 minus angle C, or angle C is equal to 90 minus angle A. Quite obvious, right? Very, very simple. I mean there is
Yes,
nothing think about it. So now it is going to be interesting. So let us say हा 30 degree आहे फॉर इन्स्टन्स आणि हा 60 असं आपण अज्युम करूया फॉर इन्स्टन्स. ठीक आहे. सो नाव लेट मी टेल यू, लेट से मी साइन ए घेतला, साइन ए. सो फॉर साइन ए द अपोजिट साइड इज द परपेंडिक्युलर, सो BC. सो परपेंडिक्युलर अपॉन हायपोटेन्यूज विल नॉट चेंज ऑब्वियसली, राइट? तो काय चेंज होणार नाहीये, राइट? तर विल टेक मगाशी आपण ज्या व्हॅल्यूज आहेत त्या घेऊया. समजा हा लेट से किती असेल 2a असेल, तर हा a असतो आणि हा √3/2a असतो. ठीक आहे. असं दिस इज अ स्टँडर्ड थिंग. नाव व्हॉट हॅपन्स इज √3/2 नाही, सॉरी एक मिनिट, जस्ट चेक करतो मी. √3/2 नाही, √3a असतो, सॉरी. हा, इट विल बी √3a, नॉट √3/2a, √3 times a. ओके. साइड अपोजिट टू 60 degrees √3 times a, आणि साइड अपोजिट टू 30 degrees इज हाफ ऑफ द हायपोटेन्यूज. असं असतं ते, √3 times द हायपोटेन्यूज आणि हे हायपोटेन्यूज. सो परपेंडिक्युलर अपॉन हायपोटेन्यूज विल बी साइन ए. सो परपेंडिक्युलर किती आहे? BC. हायपोटेन्यूज किती आहे? AC. सो व्हाट डू यू गेट? √3a upon 2a. So you get sine 60. This means sine 60 is √3/2. Now what I will do is I will just change. Tell me one thing. What is angle A? Can I write angle A as 90 minus angle C? Angle A च्या जागी 90 minus angle C लिहू शकतो का मी? That is what I am asking. Yes, I can. मी लिहू शकतो ना. म्हणजे किती आला? साइन 90 मायनस अँगल C आला √3/2. राइट? साइन 90 मायनस C आला √3/2. ओके. आता आपण काय करूया? साइनच्या ऐवजी आपण कॉस घेऊया, बट वी विल टेक हियर नाउ द रेफरन्स अँगल, वी विल चेंज इट टू 30. मी आता रेफरन्स अँगल बदलतो आणि तो 30 ला घेतो. बघा. सो नाउ टेल मी, cos C will be base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. Same. So √3/a upon 2a. A cancel. You get √3/2. So what does this mean? This means that, cos 30 is √3/2. So तुमच्या लक्षात आला असेल की cos C √3/2 आहे आणि sin A पण √3/2 आहे. sin A म्हणजे साइन ऑफ 90 मायनस अँगल C, म्हणजेच cos C. म्हणजे काय रिझल्ट मिळाला आपल्याला? आपल्याला रिझल्ट मिळाला साइन ऑफ 90 मायनस C इज cos C, or you can say cos of 90 minus C is काय असेल? साइन C. समजतंय काय चाललंय नक्की ते? आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट? म्हणजेच काय, C च्या जागी जर मी थीटा केला तर आपल्याला 6 रिझल्ट मिळतात. वी विल डू द टेबल ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. दॅट इज साइन ऑफ 90 मायनस थीटा इज कॉस थीटा. काही नाही, खूप सोपं आहे लक्षात ठेवायला. साइनचं कॉस होतं, कॉसचं साइन होतं. 90 मायनस थीटा असेल तर त्याचं थीटा होतं. साइन असेल तर कॉस, कॉस असेल तर साइन. आणि कॉस ऑफ 90 मायनस थीटा विल बी साइन थीटा. समजलं? सो साइन अँड कॉस आर the ratios of complementary angles. Similarly, tan and cot are reciprocals also and complementary angles also, and sec and cosec, okay, they are also ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so now we are going to make a short table. Okay, you don't have to write this much. We'll make a short table in which you will understand how we can use it. Okay, तर परत मी तेच हेडिंग देतो, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोज. हे लिहून घ्या माझ्या बरोबर तुम्ही, ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so number one, sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Second, cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta. Third, sanga, tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Fourth, cot of 90 minus theta is
Tan theta.
tan theta. Fifth, sec of 90 minus theta is cosec theta. And last one, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Is that clear? समजलं सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. लिहून घ्या. To speak. So if you go back to this table, we note some observations. Okay, tell me whether I am correct or not. Value of sine as the angle increases, the value of sine of that angle also increases, isn't it? पण ते स्ट्रेट लाईन मध्ये इन्क्रीज होत नाही. कसं इन्क्रीज होतं माहितीये? तुम्हाला दाखवतो ग्राफ काढून. हे बघा, असं इन्क्रीज होतं. साइन वेव्ह म्हणतात. ही वेव्ह बघितली आहे तुम्ही? अशी वेव्ह असते बघा फिजिक्स मध्ये असते.
ट्रान्सफर्स.
करेक्ट, व्हेरी गुड. ट्रान्सवर्स वेव्ह, व्हेरी गुड. सो दिस इज 90 degrees. Okay, this is 0 degrees. This is exactly 180 degrees. This is 270 degrees, and this is exactly 360 degrees. So this is one complete wave, one complete circle, one complete oscillation, one complete wave. आपल्याला हे पुढचं 90 to 360 is not in the syllabus till 10th standard. You will learn in higher mathematics. 11th standard ला शिकणार आहे तुम्ही trigonometrical ratios of angles more than 90, म्हणजे ऑप्टिव्स आणि त्याच्या पुढचे सगळे. आतापर्यंत 10th standard पर्यंत we only learn trigonometrical ratios up to 90, 0 to 90, not negative also and not above 90 also, right? कॉस्टचे व्हॅल्यूज उलट आहे. कॉस्टचे व्हॅल्यूज काय होतात? डिक्रीज होतात. ऍज द अँगल इन्क्रीजेस, द कोसाइन ऑफ द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ दोज अँगल्स गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. सेम कॉस्टचा जर तुम्ही ग्राफ काढला, दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ साइन थीटा. ओके, आणि हे +1 आहे इथे आणि हे -1 आहे. सो साइनचे जे व्हॅल्यूज आहेत त्या +1 आणि -1 मध्येच राहतात नेहमी. आपल्यासाठी 0 to 1 मध्येच असणार आहेत. आणि हा हे आहे ग्राफ कॉस थीटाचा. कॉस थीटाच्या व्हॅल्यूज कशा आहेत? इनिशियली व्हेन द अँगल इज 0 इट इज 1 एक्झॅक्टली, आणि तो ग्राफ असा येतो. सो दिस इज हाऊ द ग्राफ ऑफ कॉस थीटा लुक्स लाइक. सो दिस इज +1 व्हेन द अँगल इज 0, व्हेन द अँगल इज 90 इट इज एक्झॅक्टली 0, and when the angle is 180 again it is -1, something like that. Okay, tan, it is drastic. I mean the values change drastically. 0 होतं ते डायरेक्ट इन्फिनिटीला गेलं. ओके, सो इन्फिनिटी इज लाईक नॉट डिफाइंड, सो इट गोज टू इन्फिनिटी. कॉट इज अगेन ड्रास्टिक, इन्फिनिटी टू 0. ओके, सेकच्या व्हॅल्यूज आहेत 1 to infinity. सेक is never between 0 to 1. It can be 1, but it is never between 0 and less than 1. Never. तसंच cosec आहे infinity to 1. Cosec is also never between 0 and 1. Okay, so these are few observations, right? So this हे observation मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं आता. This is what we have done right now. Okay, and last time we have studied 3 identities also. Do you remember the identities? Can I identity शिकलो आपण? Identities नाही शिकलो?
Yes, sir.
शिकलो तो?
sir.
शिकलो
शिकलो,
नक्की ना?
sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next time maybe आज आपल्याला थांबायला लागेल, पण next time आपल्याला identities मी परत एकदा सांगेन तुम्हाला काय आहेत. So these are called identities. 3 main identities are there. What are called identities? Identities are nothing but they are like formulae, okay, which are true for any angle. समजा तुम्ही कुठलाही अँगल ए घ्या, अँगल ए ची व्हॅल्यू सेमच राहणार, जी काय असेल ती 30 असेल, 40 असेल, 45 असेल, 69 असेल, 73 असेल, वॉट एव्हर इट मे बी. So there are 3 identities which are always true for any angle. That is sin square A plus cos square A is 1 always. Second identity is sec square A minus tan square A is 1. मी परत एकदा एक्सप्लेन करतो next time. I mean that is tomorrow. Then cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. Okay, like that. So these are few identities that again I will explain it tomorrow. And then we can start with the numericals. Okay, सोपा चॅप्टर आहे हा खरं, आणि if you pay attention it will be very very easy for you in the long run. Not now but maybe in the long run also.